of the assembly election have officially signaled a total decapitation of the regional status quo in India. And from the historic collapse of the Trinamool cabinet in Bengal to the total eclipse of the left in Kerala, we are witnessing the birth of national bipolarity. The age of the regional fortress has ended, paving the way for a direct binary clash between the BJP and the Congress for the 2029 Lok Sabha election. Hello and welcome, I'm Ashia, and I'm coming to you at a moment when the ghost of coalition politics past is haunting our present. As we analyze the 2026 results and look towards the next general elections, many are looking back at the high-stakes drama of 1998 Vajpayee era. Journalist Sabha Naqvi's recent reflection on the X have gone viral, serving as a stark reminder of an era when regional power players didn't just participate in the national government, they dictated its very survival. And today we are looking at the history of single vote collapse and why it is trending in today's political climate. And this year was 1998. The BJP had emerged as a single largest party, but they were short of majority. Everything hinged on one woman, Jayalalitha. Naqvi recalls the palpable tension in New Delhi as Amma made the entire nation wait. Despite being in the capital for talks, she withheld for formal letter for support for days. And this was not just political theatre, it was a cold calculated demonstration of leverage. Jayalalitha was keeping the future Prime Minister on standby to press for the state level demands in Tamil Nadu. And the alliance eventually formed, but stability was illusion. The relationship remained fractious, defined by localized interests rather than national policy. And just 13 months into the terms, in April 1999, Jayalalitha officially withdrew her support. Her demand? The dismissal of the DMK government back home. When the BJP refused, she pulled the plug. What followed remains one of the most dramatic moments in our parliamentary history. On April 17, 1999, the Vajpayee government lost a confidence motion in Lok Sabha by exactly one vote, 269 to 270. And that single vote led directly to snap elections and change the course of Indian politics forever. So why is this history trending now? Because we are seeing a return to cycle where strong regional allies hold immense leverage. Naqvi's first-hand account of standing outside those closed-door meetings reminds us of the time when Indian politics was defined by resort politics and facts, letters of supports. And it highlights the inherent volatility when kingmakers feel their interests are being sidelined. And however, the 2026 results suggest we might be moving away from that volatility. With the fall of the TMC in Bengal, the wipeout of left in Kerala, and the shattering of Dravidian duopoly in Tamil Nadu, the regional fortresses model is now crumbling. As these parties lose their ability to dictate terms, the era of single vote collapse may finally be over, and we are transitioning towards a national bipolarity, a straight fight between two national poles, and the days when single regional leaders could make Delhi wait are fading, replaced by a new binary battle for the center. Thank you for watching.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.